Welcome to Scening with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and here are some tips you can use. What you cannot see will hurt you. Invisible to the naked eye, a world of microorganisms, living things so small you need a microscope to see them lives in soil, on your skin, in your mouth, on the floor, and on doorknobs, cell phones, walls, computer keyboards, or countertops pretty much everywhere. Clinics, hospitals, offices, plants, schools, gyms, and other regular janitorial clients will likely have disease concerns that must be addressed. Routine and sometimes serious diseases can strike, and treating these situations with uneducated staff is a big mistake. Any cleaning staff member can encounter some pretty difficult problems. Worse yet, they may not know how to address a situation where the disease is active, contagious, and out of control. While the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention might need to be called in for diseases like anthrax or Legionnaires, other more common diseases are treated by operations like yours. While you may be knowledgeable about cleaning and disinfection, you may still need more time to enter a full-blown outbreak or epidemic. The welfare of workers is a concern. Bacteria can colonize building areas such as moist and dirty HVAC ducts or employees' nasal passages. Workers are not immune from contracting the disease, compounding the issue. Imagine the impact of a worker for your firm who carries tuberculosis, MRSA, lice, scabies, or seasonal flu with them through the various workplace areas they clean. Flu is the most common issue, but it could be Staphylococcus aureus or the norovirus. A clear understanding of how the disease is transferred and how to control its spread is a skill that every environmental health services staff member must possess. What products work? What steps should be taken when these issues arise? Should employees wear personal protective equipment? If so, what should be worn to protect the employee against diseases on a surface rather than airborne disease? What immediately impacts me as I use products to protect others? Remember, infection prevention is being proactive and taking measures to minimize exposures or control the situation once it becomes a health concern. For these reasons and many more, this course of study is crucial to the foot soldiers on the front line of germ warfare. For more on infection prevention, go to our online campus and use this coupon code for a 25% discount. IPET24.